When it comes to web development, developers are usually confused between two of the most popular languages because web development is all about selecting the perfect match of language to get good results. In this article, we have differentiated between these two languages so that developers can use them as per the requirement. Node.js. 1. It is a single-threaded, open-source, cross-platform runtime environment for developing quality server-side and networking applications. 2. Node.js requires fewer threads and needs fewer resources and helps in reducing time and effort. 3. This programming language is best for real-time applications, thanks to its event-based architecture. 4. Node.js has a wide variety of open-source packages. Currently, there are more than 1 million packages in the NPM ecosystem. 5. It is the best choice for developers as both the front and back ends can use JavaScript. Python. 1. Like Node.js, Python does not support multi-threading and doesn't convert its code directly into machine code. 2. Python is also a free, open-source, high-level language and is highly recommended by experienced developers to build high-end applications. 3. The best part of this language is that it supports both functional and structured programming methods. 4. The versatility of this language is always at the top. Developers can integrate it with C, C++, Java, and other languages. 5. Python has a wide variety of GUI frameworks. Some popular libraries for GUI support include PyQt, tkinter, and Pygame.